Welcome back to 5 Minute STEM. Today we're going to be going over image arithmetic in Matlab using the image processing toolbox. And so image arithmetic is essentially applying your standard operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division onto two or more images and producing a combination of those images. So what we're going to do to start is first read in an image. The first one is blobs.tif. And I know already that I'm going to have to resize this image to match my second image. I know that the size of my second image is 537 pixels as the height and 358 pixels as the width. So what I'm going to do is just A equals IM resize, and then let's do A, and then it's 537, 358. All right, so that's to resize the image, and then we'll also just show the image. And then B will be the second image. And that one is called moon.tif. And I'll just create another figure and show that one as well. That way we can see the originals. All right, so let's first do addition. And I'll call it C equals, and then it's IM add. And then it's just A, B. Figure. I'll do a subplot. 2, 2, 1. IM show. C. And then we'll put a label on it. Addition. Alright, then it's subtraction. D equals IM absolute diff for difference. A, B. And it's subplot 2, 2, 2. IM show, then an X label, and then it's multiplication. And for this one, we have to convert to unsigned integer 16. And we have to do that to ensure that the output range is large enough. If we just had it as unsigned integer 8, it wouldn't be large enough. And do the same thing for the other image. And now we can multiply. A1, B1. This is the subplot. X label, multiplication. And then we have division. F equals IM divide. All right, and then I'm going to show you how to do the logical operators, so the or and the and. So we'll call it G equals, and then it's max, A, B, and we'll create it on a separate figure. So subplot 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm shown G, X label, and then the logical operator and. H equals min A, B, subplot 1, 2, 2. I am show H, X label, and. Alright, so then let's run it. Oh, something went wrong. Oh, I forgot an F right here. Now let's try it. All right, there we go. So here are the logical operators, the or and the and with the two images. This is the addition of the two images, subtraction, multiplication, division. And so here was the moon image, and then where's the blob image? Right here. All right, so that's how you do image arithmetic in Matlab.